The 2024 Kawasaki KX450, the latest addition to the KX lineup, builds on its heritage as a champion maker in motocross and supercross. Drawing inspiration from the Monster Energy Kawasaki factory racing team, this off-road machine boasts a host of upgrades, including a new cylinder head, lightweight aluminum frame, center exhaust, and innovative features like ODI Lock-On grips, Brembo brakes, Kawasaki TRaction Control, KTRC, riding modes with a handlebar-mounted switch box, and Bluetooth connectivity via RIDEOLOGY the app. The KX450 continues to be the bike that builds champions, supported by the industry-leading Team Green network at events nationwide. Riders can also benefit from the Kawasaki Rider Rewards program. The bike's key features for 2024 encompass engine enhancements, a redesigned chassis, and an improved rider interface. The 449 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine receives modifications to the intake system, valves, and exhaust port for enhanced power across all throttle positions. The chassis features a new lightweight aluminum perimeter frame for superior handling, and for the first time in KX history, a Brembo braking system is introduced for exceptional stopping power. Ergonomics are refined with updated bodywork, quick-release side covers, and ODI Lock-On grips for rider comfort. Technological advancements include a handlebar-mounted traction control switch, power mode selection, and smartphone connectivity through RIDEOLOGY the app for engine mapping adjustments. The bike's focus on controllability is further emphasized by the introduction of Kawasaki TRaction Control, KTRC, and a cone disc spring hydraulic clutch. Overall, the 2024 Kawasaki KX450 promises a legacy of winning with its blend of engineering excellence, power, and rider-friendly features. Limited information is currently available, but the bike is priced at $10,399 in the US, $12,049 CDN in Canada, and £NA GBP in Europe/UK, on the road Inc. 20% VAT.